Good morning, folks. My name's Lonnie Bowers, coming to you from Guarantee RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I want to show you this 2021 32.5M fifth wheel. Gorgeous unit, tons of room. It's got a giant, huge underbelly storage basement, heated and insulated. It's a 4-season coach. Got a 6-point auto leveling system. Just a beautiful unit. I'll take you inside and show you what it's all about. You have picked a beautiful unit to preview. When you walk in the door of this coach, you're going to notice lots of counter space, and I do mean a lot. You've got an extra center island in the middle, along with counter space on the right side of your stovetop and counter space all around your sink, along with the island. The island has a pop-up power port. It has 2 outlets and 2 phone chargers, USB ports. You're also going to notice that this opens up nicely. You've got opposing slides. One slide for the dining room table and chairs with an entertainment center. You do have storage behind the TV. Little fireplace, and you're going to notice that you have the dual heated massage recliners along with 2 rocker recliners in the rear. Nice big windows. Lots of storage, drawer storage as well as cabinet storage. 15 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. You have a large microwave convection and a Furion oven. Furion oven comes with no pilot light. Don't have to light those pilot lights in those crazy positions anymore. When you walk up into the hallway towards the bedroom, you're going to notice your bathroom on the left. Nice large bathroom, walk-in shower. It's fantastic for a room. Lots of room to move around. When you get up into the bedroom, you'll notice it has a king-size bed. Lots of storage, as well as storage underneath the bed. Full closet across the front with cedar lined. Smells nice, keeps your clothes fresh. This is just a beautiful unit. The colors are nice and light. Thanks again for coming. Again, my name is Lonnie Bowers, Guarantee RV. If you have any questions at all, or you'd like to come out and take a look in person, you can reach me on my direct line at area code 458-210-4130. Thanks again.